Sure, my Kazarangis, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. Today we are reacting to Te Wharekura or Hoani Waititi Marae. And yeah, everyone come through and everyone wants me to react to Hoani Waititi. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Why did you skip the Waiatatira? Shut up. Wasn't too bad though. The Waiatatira was pretty on. This is my reaction video, not yours. Right. Okay. Something live for the people. Good. Bit of a freestyle action. Oh. Yeah. Good. Pata pata. Good way to start it. Take me up. Very well done. Very well done. That's all I gotta say, jeez. Man, I love when Tane can You got this, girl. You got this. Push it. I like this fella. He's got the mean full beams. I quite enjoyed that more teatao, to be honest. Take some of the tane though. Watch your back, G. Watch your back. Don't even come at me in the comments. Okay, don't even come at me. Watch your back, G. Some of you were ha 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 ha. Watch your back. Don't come at me. Rewind it and then say, Hux, you were right. I should not come at you. Waiata āringa. Okay. Gotta lock in for this. Oh my days. Oh, it's this fella right here, G. He's the man. Brother! Shitty Wi-Fi, bro. I'm about to crash out, G. I'm about to crash out. I am about to crash out. Hux is going to crash out. If this keeps happening, I am going to crash out. Yeah, he's good as it. I love this Waiata Āringa, but my Wi-Fi, G, honest to who is preying on my downfall. Just let me enjoy it, please. Poi time. This one's for you ladies. Ah, bah. We've seen this one. Oh, it's the same one. It's the same one. Same person. This one made the clips, by the way. They got a couple of head bops in the crowd. Yeah, the head bops. Ah, where's my mouse? There. Look around there. This boy's always gonna be in the top 5 for me. So far. To be honest. All the poise on the ground, all good. Time to lock in. I love that G. They all move so clean now. He's a cooking, G. Tane, he's a cooking. How are we gonna close it up? Okay. Ooh. Right. Right. Hoani Waititi, brother. That was pretty tough, boys and girls. I think my favourite item out of this whole thing, 100%, the Haka, next to their poi. If this is the Haka G, this is their poi G. The Haka was mean, bro. Clean as, did what you need to. Pretty solid. Mo te atea was pretty mean. Waiata āringa, caught the vibe, loved the vibe. Whakawātia, beautiful way to close up. It was a beautiful bracket. It was a nice, beautiful bracket. Good vibes, G. Pretty much the sum of this bracket that I got was just good vibes. And I caught it. I caught your drift. Nothing from me, yeah, that was mean. Keep doing what you fellas are doing. Can't wait to see more. If I was to rate it out of 10 honestly, so it's probably one of the better ones, but I'ma rank this one at like a 8.8 out of 10. 8.8. That's pretty much it. They were pretty solid rōpū, and man, I honestly can't wait to see more views. That's the end of this video. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Helps me out quite a lot, and I appreciate it heaps. Hope you fellas enjoy the rest of your day, and until next time. Sure.